In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A27 and today I would like to show you how you can change the food apps. First of all, you need to launch settings and scroll to hit apps section available here. Now tap on choose the food apps at the top and click on any section you want to manage. In my case, I want to change my browser, so I have to click here on Browser app. Tap on an app you want to apply, and when you're finished, go back. As you can see, after a few seconds, my browser was successfully changed. If you want to change any other default app, download the chosen one from Play Store and switch it the same way I just did. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!